Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Welcome to your Tuesday. It is June the 24th. This is Acadiana Weather Today, a short morning chat on your upcoming weather conditions and how they're going to affect your day. Had a few scattered showers and thunderstorms out there yesterday. I think the coverage today is going to be a little greater than what we saw on Monday as more moisture is in place and we've got some disturbances that are kind of rotating in from the east. Real quick look at our sky cam here this morning, showing generally fair skies. We've got a few high, thin clouds out there. Had a few scattered showers and thunderstorms there along the coast. That's where they're going to stick around for the early part of the day. But then later this afternoon, we could see some more showers and thunderstorms. So early on, your commute should be okay. But a little later in the day with those scattered showers and thunderstorms out there, that might slow things down a bit. So do keep that in mind as you head home from work later this afternoon. Meanwhile, our temperatures are quite warm. Just about everybody in the mid-70s, upper 70s to near 80 right along the coast, which is fairly typical for June, although just a couple of degrees above normal. Big ridge of high pressure off to our northeast is kind of shoving disturbances westward along the Gulf Coast. Got some decent rains around the Crescent City, also some showers along the Florida Panhandle. And locally, we've got some spotty showers out in the offshore waters and a bit of action there over extreme southeastern Texas. But over the course of the day today and into the mid part of the week, a lot of our weather is going to be generated by that big ridge of high pressure that's currently creating quite the heat wave for our friends across the eastern half of the country. But around the bottom of that ridge, we do have some showers and thunderstorms that will continue to work westward. So that ridge will stay like that for today and then kind of expand back toward the west as we go into Wednesday and Thursday. So we'll kind of lower the rain chances again as we head into Thursday and Friday. And part of the reason why I think the rain chances will be a little higher today is not only the unstable air mass, there's a little bit of extra moisture in the atmosphere this time around. So not only will we see a better coverage of showers and thunderstorms, but they might be more efficient rainfall producers. So some heavy downpours will be possible. There's a look at the simulated satellite for the next 24 hours. Again, you see everything kind of rotating around that ridge that's off to our east. Showers and thunderstorms kind of drifting westward across the Gulf. Best rain chances are going to be over southeastern Louisiana and the Acadiana region. The farther west you go, the lower the rain chances will be. As far as our temperatures, looks like we're still going to be running in the low 90s for daytime highs. Heat index values will be topping 105 later this afternoon. And overnight tonight, temperatures should drop into the mid-70s, pretty close to average for the latter part of June. On the offshore, in the offshore waters, rather, we are looking at 1 to 2 foot seas, maybe up to 3 in the far offshore waters, but our winds will generally be out of the south and southeast at about 5 to 10 knots. As far as the rest of the Gulf, some showers and thunderstorms there off the Mexican coast down in the Bay of Campeche, and those weak little disturbances kind of rotating around the bottom of that ridge of high pressure. AL90, that disturbance over the central Atlantic, is still out there, although it is looking considerably less organized than yesterday. So the National Hurricane Center is not really showing any intensification. In fact, most of our models are showing the intensity staying below tropical depression status, and even the National Hurricane Center has lowered the chance for development back down into the medium range. So at this point, don't expect this to really develop into anything. And there's not a lot else out there, but we're going to look at the models as things might be showing some signs of awakening in the early part of July. You can join me for Let's Talk Tropics later today, live at noon, right here on Acadiana Weather Today. Your high up to 92, and then scattered showers and thunderstorms will fire up as we get into the afternoon. A few of those could bring some locally heavy rain. Temperatures again in the low 90s. Heat index topping out around 105 prior to the showers and thunderstorms. 75 tonight, 93 tomorrow. A little less coverage of rain. We'll probably drop the rain chances down to 30 to 40% and keep that through Thursday. Friday looks like a few afternoon storms, but perhaps over the weekend that ridge might be moving back to the northeast, allowing better chances for showers and thunderstorms for Saturday and Sunday. I'll fine-tune that forecast as we get a little closer toward the weekend. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana Weather Today. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on those notifications. You can hear my forecast daily on Big 102.1, Planet Radio 106.7, and Freedom 95.1. Also, follow my social media pages, both on Facebook and X, and thanks to everyone who's already subscribed to Acadiana Weather Today right here on YouTube. Hope to see you at noon for Let's Talk Tropics. If not, have a great Tuesday, and I'll see you on Wednesday.